Yeah. Hey, I'ma let y'all niggas know. Twrexz Vela and Twrexz is in this bitch. Niggas can't say nothing about this. Man, it's been a long time coming. Yeah.
It's been a long time coming.
My niggas out here going through the struggle. Niggas always going to hustle, and I'ma quit calling this fucking drug dealing a hustle. Cause a hustle is something that you could just hustle every day. Not illegal, it's legal. A hustle is something when you ain't gotta see your P.O. You ain't gotta worry about nothing except that dough, bro. These niggas out here moving in slow-mo. These niggas claim that they gangsters and hustlers, but they ain't really nothing but strangers and busters to the game hard life, the real street life. These niggas think they thugs because they under street lights. They sell their soul for some shit that get them locked up. Man, they need to stop messing with that locked up cane, man. The life playing hang, man. Yeah, once I was the same, man.
If you feel my pain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain now. Cause ain't a damn thing changed, so let it rain, let it rain, let it rain now. Ain't nothing stopping this shit, so let it rain, let it rain, let it rain now. Cause I'm about to change the game, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain now. It's been a long time coming now. Hey, I'm kicking down doors now. Cause a brother gotta get it now. If it's your time to get it now. Hey, I'm that voice in the streets. All I really need is a home and a beat now. It's been a long time coming now. Hey, and I feel my time is running now. So I'ma keep praying. Yeah, yeah. Oh, and I'ma keep saying, hey, doing my thing. Till the Lord come get me out. If you feel my pain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain now. Cause ain't a damn thing changed, so let it rain, let it rain, let it rain now. Ain't nothing stopping this shit, so let it rain, let it rain, let it rain now. Cause I'm about to change the game, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain now.
The 414 is how we roll. Man, y'all have to just stop, go, do what you really wanna do. Don't let nobody tell you what you can't do.
But you can't.